counties in New York, Portland, Madison, Northern Oneida, Onondaga, Otsego, Schuyler, Seneca, Southern Cayuga, Southern Oneida, Steuben, Tompkins, and Yates. Wind advisory remains in effect from 4 a.m. to 6 p.m. Friday. What? West winds 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 55 miles per hour expected. Where? Seneca, Otsego, Portland, Onondaga, Tompkins, Northern Oneida, Madison, Southern Oneida, Steuben, Yates, Schuyler, and Southern Cayuga counties. When? From 4 a.m. to 6 p.m. Friday. Highest winds expected Friday morning. Impacts: gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Wind advisories are issued when sustained wind speeds of greater than 30 miles per hour and flash or wind gusts over 45 miles per hour are expected. Winds of this magnitude could cause minor damage to trees, power lines, and weaker structures. Persons in the advisory area should secure all loose objects. If you are traveling through the advisory area, keep a firm grip on the wheel, especially for those driving high-profile vehicles. The following is